Well, hello, my mad scrappers. I am back with another mail call. This has been sitting here for a few days because I just could not get to it because I've been very busy being a responsible adult. What is the fun in that, right? But anyway, this is, I know, tail end of, I believe, of Craft Day. And then this is, actually both of these, I believe, are the trickling ends of Craft Day or an auto ship, one or the other, or both. Who knows? Because at this point, I don't remember. Oh, never mind. These are definitely, okay, this is not Craft Day. This is like, oh, gee, Mayra got something off the beaten path. See, you know, VNA is not the only one that orders other things from HSN other than just crafty things. So let me show you. I got a pair of sandals because they were really cool looking. So I'm like, they spoke to me. So I got them because they were marked down. So they're very cool and they're reversible. See, so I can have them. You can turn them around. So they're all cream colored, but they could be cream colored and black with the black strap. I believe this can also twist. I'm not sure how, so I have to figure that out. But oh yeah, here we go. There we go. So we can have black sandals. Now tell me that isn't cool. So, and it's, well, it says one shoe, 4 ways. Are we kidding? So anyway, this is just, you know, this is off the beaten path, guys, but I really like them. And they're on the edge of what would fit, but I knew I could do it because my problem is I don't have big feet. I have fat feet. But this made it all possible. The fact that I can widen it so I can let these looser, and then I know it'll fit my toes. Ah! So anyway, that is that. That is, okay, that's my little, you know, I go, okay, really, Mayra? We don't care about shoes. So let's see what came in the flat thing. Because at first I thought, okay, what's coming now from? I do have a big order. It's going to be coming from Paper Wizard because they opened up the vault and I ordered half the vault, I swear. So, and at first I thought it was that. In fact, I was convinced I was going to be saying that. And I go, oh no, look, it's HSN. So that's how much attention I had been paying to this packaging. It's like holy mackerel. So what is in here? Oh, it's Hunky Dory. I managed. Okay, so Hunky Dory and a really cool, look how cute that is. That is from Creative Expressions. It's Ghoulish Greetings. So it's great for Halloween, and I have inventoried everything for Halloween now. So in fact, that's what I'm going to work on next, is do some Halloween cards that I never send out, but I have them there. But I'm gonna try to send out cards this year just for the heck of it, just to catch everybody off guard. But I thought that was really, really, really cute. It lends itself. I mean, you can put this both on a slim line, an A7, an A2. I mean, it works everywhere. I loved it. There's the, you know, the way the letters are and everything. Ah, that was so cute. I think these sold out though, guys. So don't hate me for that. At least on HSN. It doesn't mean you cannot find them. But, and I'll take a look. If I find them, then I'll list them in the description box below, okay? And then what I also got was the poinsettia sparkle from Hunky Dory. I cannot remember if this did or did not sell out, but it just like caught my eye and my heart, and I had to have it because, you know, I'm obsessive in that way. I have all the stuff that I'm not playing with right now, but I have it because I will play. I have faith that, you know, things will straighten itself out in my life right now. But Nana's needing a lot of care right now, more than, I mean, suddenly it's been like noticeable. So anyway, it is what it is. But I mean, look at these pieces. These are all topper pieces to do cards. So it's so I believe it's probably 2 of each, but look how beautiful these are. I mean, just amazing. So yes, I think it's 2 of each. There is nothing to be wasted in this set. I mean, it's just nothing short of amazing. So I love poinsettias. I have a ton of poinsettia stuff, but now I have a ton plus 1. I made a pun. So and here is the paper, so it coordinates. So you have the toppers, and then we have coordinating. And these are not just, I mean, like paper. This is card stock, okay? So this is like 8. It's probably going to be 100 a pound. But shiny and just beautiful. This is just really, really, really pretty paper. So this is going to lend itself to many, many possibilities. I mean, look how, I mean, every sheet, there is not a wasted sheet here. It's all, look at that. Oh my goodness. There is, this is everything. Every sheet is usable. You can cut them down. Oh my gosh. They're going to be gorgeous. Oh, look at that. Isn't that a wonderful, I mean, a totally very beautiful background. And then, oh, look at that. Just stunning. So, and we have a couple of samples here of ideas, and I think we should probably take them up on those ideas. But that's right now literally all I have for you guys. This is a short and sweet one. But I'm going to come back with you because as soon as I'm done with this, I'm going to start recording a card I've been having in the works for a bit. Nothing super withdrawn and excited because I want to do some, quick stuff with you guys to get back into the stream of things. And hopefully all of you have not abandoned me. I wouldn't blame you if you did, but hopefully you're still hanging in there faithfully, hoping that I'm getting my act together. So thanks a lot for watching my little shopping expedition here from HSN. If you enjoyed this and you have faith, go ahead, drop me a note. Ring that bell, at least give me a like. It helps with the algorithms with YouTube. And if you want to see more madness, because no matter what, I'm still crazy as the March Hare, okay? So madder than the Hatter. So go ahead and subscribe and ring that bell because I am coming back. All right, guys? Otherwise, go out there, craft, make something beautiful. Don't ever forget that with your art, you're touching lives. So go out, reach out, touch somebody. Make them a better day, okay? Take care, and as always, don't ever forget, we're all a little mad here. So come on, let's craft the madness together, okay? I'm going to talk to you guys later. Bye!